Today we're having a look at the 2025 version of NZXT's H9 Flow RGB Plus case. This thing has got room for two 420mm radiators, comes pre-installed with 7 RGB fans, and has got plenty of room to fit whatever you want inside. Today we're checking out the brand new 2025 version of the NZXT H9 Flow. A spacious mid-tower ATX case with an innovative dual-chamber layout aimed at improving airflow and cable management. It comes in 3 versions: the standard non-RGB model, an RGB version which, believe it or not, has got RGB fans, and the RGB Plus version which includes a fan and RGB controller hub compatible with NZXT's CAM software. Both black and white colour options are available. One thing just to clarify with this case, this is the new 2025 version of the H9 Flow, released in May 2025, and not the same named case from a couple of years ago. The packaging is straightforward, a basic brown box with a black diagram of the case. On the front you'll get a purple sticker indicating your specified version, while sides list detailed features and specifications. Inside you'll find the case itself along with a manual. There's also an accessory box containing screws, plastic ties and Velcro cable straps. However, note that everything is packaged individually in single-use plastic bags. The H9 Flow has a distinctive appearance with angled front fan intakes alongside a front tempered glass panel. Front ports are located conveniently at the bottom, and the dual tempered glass panels offer excellent visibility of your internal components. Removing the tempered side glass panel is straightforward, but it's easier if you remove the top panel first, allowing pressure pads to release simultaneously. The top and the side panels are secured with thumb screws, making easy access. To remove the fan grille on the angled front section, simply unscrew one screw and pull up. A large slide-out dust filter at the bottom of the case ensures easy cleaning, while the top panel is ventilated for optimal airflow. At the rear, the power supply mounts halfway up on the left side. The layout includes 7 PCI expansion slots and an extensive honeycomb venting alongside the pre-installed 120mm fan. Surprisingly, NZXT opted to only include mounting for 1 fan on the rear, despite there being space potentially for 2 if you don't mount a large radiator on the top. The case ships with 7 pre-installed fans, one 120mm fan at the back, and 2 of NZXT's 420mm core fan frames at the front and bottom. Each of the fan frames has 3 140mm fans into the single unit for a cleaner aesthetic and simple cable management. While these fans aren't reverse bladed, which means that you will see the frame mounts, it's subtle enough not to distract from the overall look once your build is running. Additionally, the case can support a 420mm radiator or 3 140mm fans on top. You can also swap the angled front fans for a 420mm radiator. And if you wish, the bottom can accommodate a 360mm radiator. The RGB and RGB Plus versions come equipped with RGB fans, with the RGB Plus model including a built-in control hub. The hub connects directly to your motherboard using a USB 2 header and to your power supply using an 8-pin PCIe power cable, so ensure you have these connections available. The case supports both traditional and rear connecting motherboards. For storage, there's a dedicated hinged panel at the back supporting up to 4 2.5-inch drives, plus a separate caddy capable of holding either two 3.5-inch hard drives or an additional two 2.5 SSDs. Cable routing is well thought out, with multiple Velcro straps in the PSU chamber. There's plenty of space and openings to route cables neatly, although the openings lack rubberized inserts. Most of the case's cables are white, with the notable exception being the rainbow-coloured end on the audio connector, and the black cables from the RGB fan hub. Airflow is certainly a priority, with 7 included fans and room for additional 3, ensuring substantial cooling potential for demanding hardware setups. Overall, the NZXT H9 Flow 2025 stands out visually thanks to its angled front fans and dual glass panels. It offers strong airflow, extensive build options and thoughtful cable management, making it adaptable to a wide range of PC builds. The TechMax Expo 25 is the UK's top tech trade show, bringing together hundreds of IT professionals. It's a great opportunity to strengthen relationships with vendors and distributors while networking with industry leaders. You can explore the latest tech and services for growing your IT business. There is also thousands of pounds of prizes up for grabs. And not only that, it's free to attend the day event. The event takes place on the 27th of June 2025 at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. Features include a live tech awards ceremony, evening retro entertainment, meeting areas and interactive demos. Can you afford not to be one of the 800 IT professionals who are expected to attend? Registration is now open at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.